Guys, it's TF Test channel. Today I am unboxing the OPPO Reno. Box is looking so different and length is incredible. Box backside some specs mentioned and the barcodes always Chinese. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's open the box. Box inside and the length, booklets and more some documentation, book gear and more inside mobile phone here. Yep guys, is a white variant phone, is so looking amazing and it's covered on the plastic wrapper. Let's wait look the phone just okay. Put the plastic up. Okay, phone is booting now. It's white color phone. Is I'm really love the white color and it's very shiny back. Yep, I'm ready to look the deep on this device. More inside of the box and the one free case mentioned and it's looking good and it's a transparent case. I like the free case more. One AC adapter. It's a UK version AC adapter. This adapter support the fast charging. Yep. More inside USB cable here is a Type C cable and last and least headphone here. Okay guys, let's look the phone. Phone side by side. Phone back side 12 camera setups here. Main camera is the 48 megapixel. Secondary one is the 5 megapixel depth sensor. Phone right side power button here is a green color. I like it. Phone bottom side Type C port, 3.5mm jack and the speaker hills here. Phone left side SIM card tray and the volume rocker buttons here. Let's look the phone top side. Top side is the secondary noise cancellation mic here. Let's look the phone. This phone is a full screen phone and the top pressure is really less pressure and the bottom gen also is really, I think it's a world's first low gen phone. Yes, it's looking so cool. 6.4 inches full HD plus screen resolution phone. And the camera, yes guys, the main feature is the front facing pop-up sliding camera and the back facing camera is really amazing and it's a normal one.